Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll uncover the top 15 mistakes that might be slowing down your weight loss journey. You'll learn simple yet effective ways to fix these mistakes and achieve better results. We'll also share practical tips to make your weight loss journey faster and easier. Plus, you'll get actionable advice to avoid setbacks in the future. So, stay tuned till the end and take the first step toward a healthier you. To begin with, here's a common mistake: skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast might seem like a good idea to save calories, but it backfires. When you skip breakfast, you end up overeating later in the day. Your body also slows down metabolism when it doesn't get fuel in the morning. Instead, have a small, protein-rich breakfast to kickstart your day. Next, let's move to another pitfall: not drinking enough water. Water helps in burning calories and keeping you full. If you drink less water, your body might mistake thirst for hunger, making you overeat. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for some flavor and extra health benefits. Here's the third mistake to avoid: not sleeping enough. Poor sleep affects your hormones and makes you feel hungrier. You might also crave junk food when you are tired. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Good sleep improves your metabolism and supports weight loss. Now, let's uncover another crucial error: overeating healthy foods. Healthy foods like almonds, cashews, coconut, and ghee are nutritious but calorie-dense. Consuming them in large quantities may lead to weight gain instead of weight loss. Keep an eye on portion sizes, even for these healthy choices. Balance your diet with a mix of fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables along with lean proteins like dal or paneer. Moving on, this one's a big obstacle: stress eating. When you're stressed, you're more likely to reach for comfort foods. These foods are usually high in sugar and fat, which ruins your weight loss goals. Find healthier ways to handle stress, like yoga or deep breathing. Replace emotional eating with mindful eating. Let's talk about this frequent misstep now: not tracking calories. Sometimes, we eat more than we think, even with healthy meals. Tracking your calories helps you understand how much you're consuming. Use a food diary or an app to monitor your intake. This awareness can make a big difference in your progress. Here's another issue you should address: ignoring strength training. Cardio is great, but strength training is essential for building muscle. More muscle means a higher metabolism, even when you're resting. Include weightlifting or resistance exercises in your routine. It tones your body and helps you lose fat faster. Up next, this habit can hold you back: unrealistic goals. Losing weight takes time, but many expect quick results. This can lead to frustration and giving up too soon. Set realistic, achievable goals and celebrate small victories. Remember, consistency is the key to long-term success. This mistake often gets overlooked by many: low protein intake. Protein helps build muscle and keeps you full for longer. A low protein diet might make you lose muscle instead of fat. Include dal, lentils, or paneer in your meals. A protein-rich diet supports both weight loss and overall health. Now, let's tackle this major weight loss blunder: comparison trap. Everyone's weight loss journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others can demotivate you. Focus on your own progress and improvements. Celebrate how far you've come instead of looking at others. Finally, here's the last mistake to avoid: giving up too soon. Weight loss takes patience and persistence. Many people quit after a few weeks if they don't see results. Stay consistent and trust the process. Small, steady changes lead to long-term success. Another mistake that's worth mentioning is this: eating too fast. When you eat quickly, your brain doesn't get enough time to signal that you're full. This leads to overeating, even if you don't realize it. Chew your food slowly and enjoy each bite. It not only helps with digestion but also prevents you from overeating. Let's highlight this next common error: relying on liquid calories. Juices, soft drinks, and fancy milk-based beverages like cold coffee or lassi are packed with hidden calories. These drinks don't keep you full but still add significantly to your daily calorie intake. Replace sugary drinks with plain water, jeera water, or masala chai with jaggery. This small change can help you cut down hundreds of unnecessary calories. Don't forget about this mistake as well, eating too little. Eating too few calories can put your body in starvation mode. This slows your metabolism and makes it harder to lose weight. Focus on a balanced diet with enough calories to fuel your body. Healthy weight loss is about eating smarter, not starving yourself. Finally, here's the last mistake to avoid: no meal planning. When you don't plan, you're more likely to eat unhealthy fast food. Planning meals ensures you have healthy options ready. Prep your meals in advance and carry healthy snacks. This saves time, money, and calories. In this video, you discovered 15 common mistakes that might be slowing down your weight loss. We shared practical tips to help you avoid these pitfalls and stay on track. Remember, consistency always wins over perfection when it comes to achieving your goals. Small, mindful changes can create a big impact on your journey. Start making these changes today and see the difference for yourself. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Weight loss isn't just about diet and exercise, it's about understanding what works for you. Avoid these mistakes, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Remember, progress takes time, but every small step counts. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.